Ice cream. Rich, cold, and full of air. This is the classic American scoop, made with cream, sugar, and egg yolks, then churned fast for a light, fluffy texture. It's sweet, smooth, and holds its shape in a perfect ball. Served in cones, bowls, or piled high with sprinkles. This is the kind of ice cream that starts childhood memories and never really leaves. Gelato. Italian-style ice cream that's denser, silkier, and colder than it looks. Made with more milk than cream and churned slowly to keep air out. It melts slowly, coating the tongue with deep flavor. Pistachio, hazelnut, dark chocolate. Usually served with a flat spatula, not a scoop. It doesn't shout. It lingers. Sorbet. No cream, no milk, just fruit, water, and sugar. Frozen into something bright. Sorbet is icy, sharp, and refreshing. More like a cold fruit than a dessert. Lemon and raspberry are classics, but mango and passion fruit add tropical flair. It's vegan by default, and perfect between courses or under the sun. Less cozy, more clean, and proud of it. Frozen yogurt. Tangy, creamy, and lighter than ice cream, at least in theory. It's made with yogurt cultures, giving it a subtle sour edge. Often served soft, with fruit, nuts, or rainbow cereal on top. You'll find it in self-serve shops with endless toppings and tiny spoons. Part dessert, part health claim, and surprisingly addictive. Soft serve. Swirled straight from a machine into cones that lean. This ice cream is airy, quick frozen, and lower in fat. Vanilla and chocolate rule, but twist flavors win hearts. The texture is half melted, half cloud, and pure nostalgia. You don't chew soft serve. You chase it before it drips. Custard ice cream. Think of it as ice cream, but silkier and richer. It's made with extra egg yolks, giving it that deep yellow tint. Thicker on the spoon, slower to melt, smoother all around. Often used in sundaes and served fresh from roadside stands. The kind of dessert that hugs your tongue instead of shocking it. Sherbet. Halfway between sorbet and ice cream, fruity but with a creamy touch. It includes a small amount of milk, just enough to soften the edge. Orange is the classic, but lime and raspberry aren't far behind. It's cold, tangy, and playful, like soda pop turned frozen. Perfect for those who like sweetness with a zing. Popsicle. Frozen juice on a stick. Bright, basic, and built for summer. No dairy, no churn, just color and cold. It comes in single flavors, wild stripes, or hidden jelly centers. You eat it before it melts down your wrist. A childhood classic, best enjoyed barefoot. Granita. Rough crystals of frozen flavor. Scraped, not scooped. Born in Sicily, made with water, sugar, and fruit juice or coffee. It's coarse, slushy, and more textured than sorbet. Served in glasses, not cones, often with a spoon and patience. The dessert that melts slowly, like late afternoon sun. Kulfi. Dense, creamy, and slow to melt, Kulfi doesn't play by Western rules. Made by boiling down milk, then freezing it with cardamom, pistachios, or rose water. No churning. Just thick, rich flavor on a stick. It's often cone-shaped, held in metal molds or paper wraps. The taste is bold, nostalgic, like India in one bite. Dondurma. The Turkish ice cream that stretches, twists, and refuses to fall off the scoop. Made with salep and mastic, it's chewy. Yes, chewy. And elastic. Vendors tease you with it before handing it over. It tastes milky, lightly floral, and completely different. Part performance, part dessert, and totally unforgettable. Mochi ice cream. A bite-sized ball of cold hidden inside sticky rice dough. Soft on the outside, creamy at the center, dusted with starch to keep it dry. Flavors range from matcha to mango, vanilla to black sesame. You eat it with your fingers. No cone, no spoon, just chew and chill. It's playful, portable, and unmistakably Japanese. Halo Halo, a layered Filipino dessert that means mix mix. And it really does. Shaved ice, sweet beans, jelly cubes, condensed milk, purple yam, and a scoop of ice cream on top. You stir it all together into a rainbow of cold textures. It's crunchy, creamy, chewy, and icy, all at once. Not minimal, not subtle, just joy in a glass. Affogato, Italy's coolest espresso, poured hot over cold. Just one scoop of vanilla gelato drowned in a shot of strong coffee. It's not a dessert or a drink. It's both. The contrast is everything. Hot meets frozen, bitter meets sweet. One spoonful, and you're awake. And happy. Ice cream sandwich. A scoop trapped between two cookies, wafers, or cakes. The shape might change, but the idea stays sweet, soft, cold, and handheld. It melts slower, bites cleaner, and brings texture to every mouthful. Some are neat squares. Others are gooey chaos. But they all taste like summer. Rolled ice cream. Also called stir-fried ice cream. This one is made right in front of you. Liquid cream is poured onto a frozen metal plate, mixed with flavors, then scraped into thin rolls. It's part dessert, part performance, served in cups with toppings piled high. Crunchy cookies, colorful sprinkles, drizzled sauces, anything goes. A TikTok favorite, built for eyes before mouths. Nitrogen ice cream. A modern twist with a scientific flair, frozen instantly using liquid nitrogen. The result is ultra smooth, dense, and cold enough to fog up the air. The process looks like magic. Mist, vapor, and swirls of cream turning solid. It's dramatic, quick, and often made to order. More lab than kitchen, but still delicious. Spaghettiace. A German classic that turns ice cream into pasta, at least visually. Vanilla ice cream is pressed through a spaghetti maker, topped with strawberry sauce and white chocolate cheese. Served in a bowl like a plate of bolognese, but sweet and cold. It's quirky, fun, and surprisingly nostalgic for anyone who grew up in Germany. The kind of dessert that makes you look twice before tasting. So many ways to freeze a smile. From chewy to fluffy, tangy to sweet. Ice cream isn't just one thing. It's a mood, a memory, a texture, a world. Which type would you pick, and why? Let us know in the comments.